First of all, sorry about my voice. This is what I have now. My name is Ran. I'm a production engineer in Facebook, and I'm going to talk about how to create your own network troubleshooting tools. So before we do that, let's talk about what tools we have today. Everybody, I think, knows Tcpdump. You can see network packets using the CLI. You can set up your own pickup filter to target what kind of traffic that you want, and then you can just see the packets inline. Additionally, we have Wireshark to have the UI version of Tcpdump, which does basically the same. Tcpdump actually uses libpcap, which is a C++ library that's reading the packets from the kernel without interrupting user traffic. And Tcpdump is using that, and Wireshark using that in order to do what it does today. So what Tcpdump is not good for? So it's very hard to integrate Tcpdump or network sniffing into other systems. So think about like doing Tcpdump, pipe, parse this nasty output, pipe, do, I don't know, send it to a database or something like that. Super hard, super nasty. Also, it's very hard to get visibility or filtering based on the application layer. So think about like, I want to filter all the HTTP requests that has this method from the network stack. It's very hard because Tcpdump is only aware to the raw packets themselves. And also do like any other kind of aggregation, it's extremely hard. So what I'm going to talk about today is Pcapy. Pcapy is a Python module, and Python is awesome. And Python is better than Ruby. A friend of mine told me not to say that, so I'm saying that. Just saying. It's pickup filter compatible, and it's super easy to use. And it's actually using libpcap behind the scenes. So let's see some examples. Tcpdump in Python, done. This is just a code that you can take, copy, paste, and run it on your laptop. The main thing to see here is that we are listening to ETH0, and again, setting up the filter. Then we configure Pcapy to use the callback function for each packet to do something. And this is now just prints the raw packets to the terminal. So it's not really Tcpdump because you just see the blob of the packet and you won't see anything interesting. In order to solve that, you can use dpkt, which is another module that allows you to parse the actual packets into meaningful protocols, such as DNS, TCP, UDP, HTTP, whatever, even Samba, apparently. Another example, DNS to DB. So let's take all of the DNS queries from the network and send them to a database and then do something with it. Pretty easy. The same thing, only the things difference here is that instead of targeting port 22, I'm targeting UDP and destination port 53. And I'm using here the dpkt module in order to get the host name that I'm trying to resolve and the type of query that I'm doing. So if it's a CNAME or an A record or whatever. And then I'm just logging into my database, whatever it is. And then I can do something like this. I can see the top 7 DNS queries on my network. If I run this on like the servers that I want or the laptops that I want or whatever you try to do. So in summary, we have libpcap. Tcpdump uses libpcap, but it's not as good. So we can use Pcapy in order to write your own tools. That's it.